Naki-secret yan?
Wala ko'y bulsa.
Ay, wala no. Kapang game? Ipasa.
3, go! Yan na.
Yan na, go.
Okay, Yana. Look ahead.
Tingin to sa kanya, Yana.
Yan na, go. You're free to fall.
Yeah, okay. Come on, I'm holding you. Yeah, just open, bro. More open, more. Yeah, keep your hands underneath. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, just continue open. Very good. Keep them open. Good job. It's okay. Just open both sides. Okay. Okay. Cheers.
Video, Mang. Naka-video na eh.
Yes! Nakakasya ko! Nawala! Pa-picture data.
Ayun, oh. Si Kuya. Uy, kalaki ng snow na nagahulog.
Yes! My face! First time mo no? Ay, first time natin. Papa, please. Kakanina ka pa. Kanina ka pa.
Oh. It's snowing. It's snowing.
Papa, pwede tanggalin mo na? Sakit.
Wag, bawal, Gray.
Tanggalin mo na ba ito si suot ulit?
Tanggalin.
Yan na.
Good
Tanggalin.
evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the March of the Penguin.
Tanggalin
My
kasi
name
ang
is Sam,
ulo.
and
Ang gusto ko
the
tanggalin ang
ready.
bonnet.
They're walking towards us right now.
Ayun na.
So, guys, tell me, are you ready to see them? Yes, that's more like it. So, what's gonna happen is we're gonna be bringing out two species of penguin that we have in here. So, get ready with your mobile phones and your cameras. Take as many pictures and videos as you like so you can show it to your families and friends. I know it's freezing cold in here. It's -4. You guys wanna hug each other if you know each other. Make yourself warm. And the penguins are gonna be in here. Do us a favor. Keep your hands behind the white fence and do not
Kuya, may
talk.
tsokolate ka pa sa bunganga mo.
So that they will not get injured and they will not get hurt. Otherwise, we're going to be bringing them back inside the penguins class to see. Is that okay? Thank you so much. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please bear with us. Presenting the penguins of Ski Dubai. Together with my colleague, we have two species of penguin for you today. And of course, leading by our trainer, we have Don Ryan de la Peña Cerezo, one of our penguin trainer. Look at that. He's handling one of our Gen 2 penguin, and his name is Lucy. Everybody say hi, Lucy. Lucy is a Gen 2 penguin, third largest penguin in the world, and the fastest swimming bird on the planet. They can swim as fast as 40 kilometers an hour, like the speed of a dolphin. That's why they're called the fastest swimming bird. And of course, they're dubbed as the athlete in the penguin world because of their athleticism, enthusiastic behavior. There you go, sweet, jumping like that, and the way how they walk as well. Now, believe it or not, at the age of 2 or sometimes 3 years old, they are considered adult already. Because penguins live in the wild for less than 12 to 15 years. That's why everything is early. Yeah. Their life expectancy is the same as with dogs and cats. You guys have cats or dogs? It's pretty much the same life expectancy. That's why it's very early for them. They're looking for a mate at the age of 2 or 3 years old, and the Gen 2 penguin, or Lucy right over there, are the one who's actually giving rise to the ladies that they wish to marry. So a boy will pick up a rock and will place it in front of her. If she likes it, she will pick it up. If not, she'll just simply walk away. That means I don't like it. But they're known for being monogamous. If they choose a mate, that's gonna be their mate forever. They're loyal like Trainer Don. Stick to one partner for the rest of his life. Okay, now, That's Lucy, our Gen 2 penguin. And any moment right now, you guys are going to be seeing him walking towards that stage again. And you will see how funny he walks. Now, penguins waddle like that, you see? Oh, everybody say bye-bye, Lucy! Bye! Now they walk like that because they need to balance themselves. They have knees, but the problem is they can't bend them. That's why they waddle for balancing, right? So Lucy is done. Let's talk about the penguins that's scratching your head right over here. These are our king penguin. You guys have any idea why they are called king penguin?
Because of the yellow.
What?
Hi.
Height. Sure? How about you, sir? Why? Huh? The yellow thing on the hair, yes, the yellow thing on the hair that looks like a crown. So the one who discovered them thought actually they're wearing a crown because of that yellow marking. It was discovered around 1900s. You know, way back then, the kings and the queens, whenever they discovered something, they're gonna name them after themselves or what it looks like. So the one who discovered thought that they're actually wearing a golden crown. That's why they were given the name King Penguin. Okay? Now, let me introduce them to you one at a time. Together with them is our trainer Mark. We have Jamira. We have Mona. We have Cuddly, Amshit, and Paul. But be honest, looking at the penguin, can you see the difference between the boy and the girl? It's hard, right? Yes, because penguins are what we call non-dimorphic animals. Meaning to say, the boy and the girl look exactly the same. Yes, they're not like lion. Have you seen the lion before? You know, if it's a boy, they do have mane, but the female doesn't have it. Yeah, and
Okay.
Diyan lang ko, Papa. Papa, diyan lang.
Dito ako.
Papa, change lang.
Bakit? Okay.
Dan, picture sa mo. Hey, hanap kay Mama.
Lie down, Dre. Dre, lie down.
Magpulot ng flow. Sige, yung scoop pala pulutin niya tapos iganyan niyo. Ay, Diyos ko, baba. Sige, kuya. Diyan kita nag-itapon mo ang snow.
Hindi kayo nalamigan? Uwi na tayo.
Wala pa. Mamaya na.
Tara na, magkain muna tayo. Nagutom na ako.
Tapos magbalik lang tayo.
Magbalik lang tayo, magkain muna tayo.
Ay, maglinis sa pupa. Let's picture ni Midri pa nga.
Nagaganyan ka.
지금 우린 함께 할 수 Cause I'll be with you. 오늘도 좋은 꿈만 꿨으면 좋겠어, baby. Barefoot, barefoot. Take off your shoes and step in the bed. Barefoot, barefoot. 우린 같은 온도에 있어. 푸른 내 바닷속은 얼마나 깊을까.
Ready? Ah, ang sakit ng pit ko.
Si Ana to sa ko.
Ganun yan, oh.
Muna natin. Hello.
Hi!
Hi.
Nice? You had fun? Is it true?
How are you?
Sinura.
Sinura, saan sinura?
Sinura? Where is Sinura? Okay, scan. Free. Diretso.
Ay, si Papa.
Oh, sige ako mauna. Bakit ka dito takot dyan? Zorb lang yan.
Ay, biskot. Maganda ganiyan, kuya. Mag-bounce ka lang.
Ang problema na siya, unsa niya pagbaba. No choice siya.
Na, may tao nga magkuha.
Sakay siya.
Pagdating mo doon, kuya, may tao nga magkuha sa'yo.
Gusto ko dyan, oh. Ay, isa lang palang ano nito. Yan na. Dito.
Bro, wala ba? Papa, ayusin.
Saglit lang si mama mo, videon ko pa.
Mama,
Si kuya mo takot na.
ako nag-roll over.
Ako'y nakakatakot kasi baka maglawas ako.
Ako wala, ako nag-jump.
Oh, yes,
Kasi gipaurong niya ako. Kaya hindi ako Kaya hindi ako natakot. Papa, ako nag-roll around ako. Wala.
Si kuya mo wala na. Ay, nagagdanan pabalik. Mang, si Andre nga nagagdanan mo na.
Tulak lang ako ng lalaki. Itulak lang ako ng lalaki. Tapos nag-roll na ako agad.
Ay, yan na si kuya. Oh. Hindi ko kagalaw yung ano, mabigat na dyan si kuya mo.
Stay ka lang. Stay ka lang. Ha?
Ano? Ano na feel mo?